Jesse here over at EC Auto Repair. We're going to do a quick video on lights. So one of the things that we do complimentary for every single customer that comes in is we check all their lights to make sure they're working. Who here, let's be honest, who here has ever been pulled over by a police officer that was actually doing their job when they pulled you over and said, hey, Mr. and Mrs., your headlight's out, your tag light's out, your brake light's out. Sometimes they write a citation, sometimes they don't. We just like to spare you that encounter with our law enforcement and allow them to do their job catching the bad guys, right? So one of the things that we do for free on every single vehicle that comes in the shop is we check the lights. Here I've got a Toyota Corolla. You're going to notice we got the clearance lights working. I got the flashers on. Because the flashers are on, that allows me to know the turn signals are working. My low beams are on right now. I'll be able to check the high beams momentarily. I see these are actually a little fogged up. We have a service that we can do to get that glaze removed and get those sealed so that we can see better. That's a different story for a different time. We'll come to the back. We also notice that we've got turn signals. We got tail lights. And then I'm going to check that tag light's working, that tag light's working, and that's working. I'll check my brakes in a moment, right? But we have a rod that we're able to put in the vehicle so that one person can check their brake lights as well. Something else that I like to notice is I like to pay attention to the tag for the customer. We actually notice on this one that being as this is February, it's actually February the 20th, that this tag expired approximately 21 days ago. So we'll be able to advise the customer, oh, by the way, we noticed your tag was expired. They're going to be able to get that handled. They'll send us roses and chocolates and all kinds of cards. We love our customers. They love us back. So anyhow, I'll see you in the next video.